Hello friends, I am Umendra and today we see the deployment of that websites. So today we use the hosting website as a Netlify deployments. So this is a official website of that Netlify. So it is a helping to deploy the websites and see the how to websites deploy and how to run and build the product of your website. So firstly, step by step guidance deploying on Netlify. This is a website name and select, and firstly sign that website. I already sign up and this is a website is open and I am configure the this is the dashboard of that website, and this is a searching, and also it is a already I have a deploying the projects, and also firstly start from add new projects and choose import and existing projects, and this is the options like deploying your projects with so GitHub, GitLab and Bitbuckets and Azure developers DevOps. Yes, so this is a platforms you configure your projects. So our projects in between the GitHub. So firstly I choose the GitHub. It is a require authorize it, and our see this is our projects. So I choose the project like a library management system, and this is a title of that website, and project name is a library management system LMS. So this is a project name LMS by Umendra. Yes, so this is our project name. LMS means library management system, and this is a building settings like a main branch name is a base, and base directory is a empty. Also it is a affiliate, and build command between like examples build gulp and build make all, and public directory also sites, and this is a functions directory as an Netlify functions, and last add the environment variables. So environment variables like add a values or pairs, but I don't have any pairs. So firstly I it is a deployment. So deploying the LMS Umendra. So start the deployment, and first stage of the deploying your projects. So Netlify robots and deploy directly, and it is a forward to the second step. It is a set up a customer domain. So it is a dashboard, and it is a project configure and add dashboard database, and also it is the first step your project is deployed, and then second step your customer domain, new domain and domain name, and also third step is a secure your projects with the HTTPs. HTTP means hypertext protocol securities. Your project is a secure automatically with let's encrypt certified, and also this is a production deploy. So production mail at the rate head and publish it. So our website is a publish it. So this is a link of that website, and also copy the link of address and open our website library management system. Yes, see, this is our library management systems. So our all functions and features are showing in that website. Also login, log up, and all features are work properly. So this is our websites, and return to our production or a website. So this is also another option like a project overview, project configure, deploy, pro preview, servers, logs, metrics, domain management, forms, and blobs. And also it is the another examples and features of that website. It is a very good website, and also it is a use in the more websites to deploy that projects. So this is web, our deployment of that project in the Netlify projects. Thank you.